Hey guys, RHC here. Just thought I'd give you a little look at what I use for making my videos. Anyways, so I'm running a GoPro Session 5 camera, which works great and it's real easy to use. Just press one button on the top to record and press it again to stop it. It's that simple. I've got a backup camera, GoPro 3, which doesn't have the built-in stabilizer, so I like to use it on the crash bar. And if you look back at some of my old videos, if it's mounted securely on the crash bar, it will definitely come out clear and not shaky at all, but it's got to be a real tight mount. These right here, thanks to Millie 707. Check out Millie 707 on YouTube, by the way. He's got some great stuff. He taught me how to build these. And these are what you mount on to the base mount of your camera. I mean, the base mount of your helmet. They just clip in and you can adjust each and every one and crank them down. There's one and there's another one too. Ideally, I want to convert over to these all metal pieces because the plastic ones break. But they're not real expensive and you can get them off Amazon. This right here is magic. It's just a foam cover for the GoPro 5 camera right here, as you can see, and it slips in there and totally eliminates most of the wind noise. I mean, it really makes a difference. I can tell a big difference with the wind noise with and without it. So, and of course you got to have your adapter and the SD card, which is in there right now. I haven't taken it out. I got to clear the footage off there. And you can either charge your batteries through the GoPro 3 camera, or you can get yourself a charger and charge them individually. So that's just some of the stuff I have. I've got a whole nother drawer full of different stuff, but yeah, that's what I use, guys. That and a pretty darn good computer with lots of gigabytes of RAM. High speed is what you want when you're uploading these huge files. I don't know about you guys out there, but whenever you're uploading huge files like that, you either need to run straight into the cloud with unlimited storage space, or you got to have a computer that will take these huge files and then keep it clean. So yeah, that's just a little bit of the stuff that I use. And then, of course, I thought I'd show you this trophy I got in 2019 for my Road King. Best in Show, Judge's Choice at Bikes by the Bay. That was for my Road King. All right, guys, happy Father's Day. RHC, peace out.